My beautiful creative creatures, I hope you had a chance to check out my recent lives I did. They're pretty awesome, pretty fun, pretty exciting. Also, I do plan on changing some things that I want to talk about on my channel eventually. Not sure when, just I know I do. And I've said that multiple times just to verify, to let you know, like, hey, I'm not going to always speak on anti-MLM stuff, but it's going to be stuff that I also feel passionate about. So I want to let that out there, let everyone know that. But today we're going to be listening to a call, not a Zoom call, but it's on Instagram, of a Arbonne rep. And we're going to discuss it, we're going to talk about it, we're going to see what she has to say, and we're going to go from there. So let's start.
So I'm going live to do an unboxing because I got my Arbonne package in the mail and I thought, why not show the people what I use? And I want to touch on the fact that I use and love this stuff. So I don't just buy it because I have to. I actually don't have to buy anything as an Arbonne consultant. I buy it because I use it and I love it. And so I wanted to start off by saying that, and also wanted to let you guys know we have makeup, skincare, nutrition, bath and body. So it's really just the cleanest and safest version of the products people use every single day. Arbonne bans over 2,000 toxic ingredients, whereas the US bans 11. So we are very, very strict, very, very clean. Everything is plant-based, gluten-free. I could go on for days about how clean our products are, but they're all amazing and they all work. So that's one thing that I was a little bit nervous about as far as plant-based stuff. I didn't know if it was actually...
I do get irritated when they say it's clean and everything like that, because the term is very, like, I think it's greenwashing when they don't need to say that, because if they say it has no toxins, we already know. Everything has chemicals, everything is a chemical, so it's just very redundant. So that's about it I have to say on that. But also to say everything works. Everything you might think it, it's not like it can't work, obviously, but we can't make a blanketed statement. They can't make blanketed statement like it works for everybody, because we already know not everything works for everybody, and everyone has different needs. So
actually gonna work, especially the makeup. I was like, what are you slathering avocado oil on your face? Like, how is that actually gonna work? But it all works amazing. And so I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my box, because I order this stuff every month. And as I said before, I use it, I love it, and that's why I sell it. So anyways, okay, let's start out with, probably if I had to pick like my top 3 favorite Arbonne products, this one for sure would be in there. So this is the Gut Health. This is a pre and probiotic supplement with digestive enzymes. So this helps so much with overall gut health, but also specifically bloating, skin, mood, sleep, energy, all the things. So I'm obsessed with that, and I have that every morning with my Superfood green supplement. So this has 36 fruits and veggies per scoop. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a big veggies person. I love fruits, but I'm not a big veggies person. So this makes sure that I get all of my fruits and veggies for the day, which is so nice to get it done first thing in the morning. And then I also have with that was loud, Mind Health. So this has CoQ10. It's a plant-based brain function enzyme. That's a tongue twister. So I put that in my shot every morning, as well as our skin elixir. So this is a vegan collagen supplement. It helps your body create its own collagen instead of getting collagen from animal bones and stuff like that. So it has hyaluronic acid.
I'm keeping track of all the things she says, because I'm going to look up the images of it, save them, post them in this video, and also find dupes for them as well, if I can remember to do that. Hopefully I can, and also list them in my description box. So I want to make sure that all those things are listed.
And it's a skin elixir. So there's that. I also have these every day. This is our True Sport Hydration. So it's kind of like, well, it's just electrolytes. And I don't like comparing products, but it reminds me of like a healthier version of Gatorade or Liquid IV, stuff like that. So it's super, super clean. Again, that's what I love about all our products, is you don't have to worry about the ingredients. They're all super, super clean. So that's that. Also, if Chris were to have to pick his favorite Arbonne product, it would be the hydration, hands down. Okay, See, I got two. That just shows you. Oh dear. You guys, literally anyone can do Arbonne. Like anyone. See, did you see that? Okay, so I also got coffee protein. So as you guys have probably been seeing on my stories, I'm freaking obsessed with the banana pancake protein. Like, have been having it every single day. But my second favorite is the coffee protein. If you are a big like frappuccino type of person, or if you just really like the taste of coffee but you don't like the way it makes you feel, this is perfect for that. It tastes amazing. Also has 20 grams of vegan protein, full amino acid profile, gluten-free, dairy-free, no soy, which is also amazing because soy does a number to your hormones. So there's that. And then I also got fizz. You can never have enough fizz. I literally have like boxes of fizz, but I ran out of strawberry, and it's one of my favorite flavors, so I had to restock up on that. And then kind of moving, oh wait, so this is really cool. So the coffee protein that I just showed you guys now comes in 10 packs. So I actually got some so that I can send you guys out some samples of those. So if you want samples of the coffee protein, let me know and I will send those out to you so you can try it yourself. And I have the most freaking amazing recipe for it. Like I had a couple of friends try it and they're like, wow, this is so good. So I'll send you guys the recipe if I send you over the coffee protein sample. And then I'll throw some fizz in there and some other things that I like. Okay, so kind of moving on from nutrition, although I have like one more thing from nutrition I'm realizing. But anyways, so I also use the body wash, the body products, the bath products, all that stuff. So I basically just buy everything from my own website, which is super nice. So this is the Shea Butter Body Wash. I love this one, and then we have another one that I really love too, that me and Chris use all the time. So Chris uses tons of Arbonne products too. They're for guys and for girls, so keep that in mind. Okay, then I use our makeup wipes. So I got 2 things of those. They come in packs of 30, I think, right? 30? Yeah, 30. So makeup wipes. So kind of generally my skincare routine, even though you totally didn't ask, I'm gonna tell you anyways. So
My main question is, like, why do they always need to just... They don't realize that they're the customer. And that's what is so sad. And for me, seeing her have all the stuff, knowing that once I calculate it, it's going to equal, like, $400 more likely. And knowing that there was, like, 2 of the... What was it? The coffee protein that I saw she had. She had 2 of those, so now I got to get, get the price of that. Like, that's a lot. That is a lot. I'm also going to do another video after this, not just of the Arbonne, but of another rep, and like, or probably the same rep, but if she has a video call with someone else.
My skincare routine when I'm taking off my makeup is to use makeup wipes, and then I use a cleanser, and then I go in with all like my moisturizer and peel pad products, so stuff like that. So these, speaking of peel pads, are our peel pads. This is from a newer line called Derm Results. The results from this line, so it comes with these and the oil, are unreal. I literally have never seen skincare results like that in my entire life. Just looking at people's before and afters even after a month is crazy. I will have to post them on my story later on so you guys can see. Cleantox Herbal Detox Tea. So this has milk thistle, peppermint, super good for detoxing your liver. If you guys know anything about milk thistle, you'll know that. And then, okay, Micellar Water. So sometimes usually when I'm not wearing makeup, I'll just go in with micellar water and then moisturize after, because Arbonne products are so good you basically barely have to use anything. If you're not wearing makeup, like, you can kind of just fudge it, and I'm kind of lazy when it comes to my skincare sometimes, so sometimes I don't feel like doing a full routine. I'll just do micellar water and then my moisturizers and stuff. Speaking of moisturizer, I keep speaking of that, but it's actually kind of perfect because I keep picking up the thing that I was previously talking about. So, this is the Biohydra Gel Cream. So this is probably like top 3 favorite moisturizers. I also love the Brighten Up line and the Age Well line. So Age Well line is for anti-aging, but we call it Age Well because everyone's gonna age. So I feel like anti-aging is like kind of more negative, right? So this is, the Age Well is just aging well, right? So that one, and then the Brighten Up line is amazing too. There's amazing serum. Actually, the whole line, like, let me just tell you, the whole line's amazing. But this is what I've been using for when my skin is feeling drier. And generally it happens like around this time of year, around the winter. So the Biohydra Gel Cream is amazing. It's also, I think, the most inexpensive moisturizer that we have. So if you're looking for a more inexpensive way to start with the skincare, I would highly recommend the Biohydra line. It's amazing. And then our foundation. Okay, I have to tell you about our foundation because I thought it was gonna be crappy, to be honest. Like, I was like, there's no way that plant-based foundation is going to do anything, especially how clean it is. And I actually tried it.
But why do they always feel the need to change everything out? Well, we know why. We know why. It's because they're told that they need to replace everything in order to be the product of the product. So that's why. And it's just sad because they don't, if it works well and it's affordable, you don't need anything else. Like, I recently got Tarte concealer, and I've never used Tarte before, but it works really well underneath my eyes, so I don't look so tired right now. And technically it was free. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. I don't know what the price is of it. I will have to look it up. But the fact is, like, I don't use concealer, and this is the first time, and like, it just lays on my skin. So, you know, that's just me. But why do you gotta change out everything? Because you want to be the product of the product, you know. But still, it's just so sad. Like, I just wish I could be like, please stop doing this. You're wasting your money.
Before I started the business, I tried this foundation, and I was really pleasantly surprised. Beforehand, I used, which I'll go over the concealer too. So beforehand for concealer, I used the brand Tarte, and then I used MAC for foundation. So I was paying like a lot of money for all this stuff. And this is actually cheaper and works better and stays on longer and is cleaner. So why wouldn't I switch over to that, right? So I tried the foundation. I'm obsessed with it. If you want to try the foundation and get color matched, let me know. I can hook you up with discounts, and I can also color match you. And the cool thing is, if you, for some reason, the color doesn't match you quite right, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee. So you can totally swap it out. You can call 1-800-ARBONNE. They'll take care of everything. They're absolutely amazing. So sweet. Okay, and then as far as the concealer goes, so again, I used to use Tarte concealer, the Shape Tape one. I literally swore by it. I was like, there's never going to be a time where I switch.
Unironically enough, that's the same type I have on my face. So, I don't technically know the price of it. I will look it up. But the fact is, it was free for me. So, that's all I'm going to say about that. But, really, the fact is, you spend all this money. I know we can find dupes for every one of those things, and it'll cost less, which I'm going to do in this video. This time around, I'm going to pop up a huge image of all of the dupes and put all the pictures in there so you can see it. So that's the goal. The Arbonne products to the dupes of them.
From this, like, this is the holy grail of concealers. And no, this is the holy grail of concealers. And not only is it better and it works better, but it's way cleaner. So if you look at the ingredients, like versus each of them, you're gonna be like, okay, wow, it's very different ingredients and it works better and it stays on all day. So that's amazing. I just went to, as I said before in my story, I went to a celebration of life. So there were definitely some tears, and I put on makeup before. I have a filter on here, but like, I thought I was gonna like cry it all off, and I feel like it looks great. I think. Okay, so then this is actually for Chris. So remember how I was talking about the Brighten Up line before? Chris uses the Brighten Up Exfoliating Cleanser. And like, seriously, anyone can do Arbonne. I'm gonna say that again because I forget my words. Like, I'm not anyone special to be at the top of this company. Okay, so Brighten Up Exfoliating Cleanser. And then, I know I got a lot of stuff. I did like a bulk order because I'm like, I need everything because we actually just moved to Newport Beach. If you've been following along with my story, you know that as well. Okay, liquid serum, Biohydra liquid serum, literally amazing. Again, it goes with that Biohydra line. So if you want a line that's like a little bit less expensive, I would totally go for that one. And then we also have the Hydrating Dew Cream. So Chris is obsessed with this. So these are the two that he uses. So if your man needs some good skincare, let them know. I have a funny story about Kristen's skincare. So when Chris and I started dating, I noticed that my skincare started withering away in my shower, and it was a very similar cleanser to this. And I asked Chris, I thought maybe it was like my old roommate. I was like, I mean, she could totally use it. I would think she would maybe ask if she could use it, but it's okay, whatever. But I asked Chris, hey babe, do you, by any chance, like, have you used my skincare? And he goes, oh my gosh, yes, I forgot to tell you. It's amazing. My skin is so amazing. Feel it so soft. Like going on and on and on about my cleanser. And before that, you know, he's a guy. A lot of guys just kind of watched her face.
It's nice to hear a guy that appreciates the face wash stuff. Not like guys aren't capable of loving that. It's just nice to hear it in a video. Cool.
Whatever they have, like shampoo, soap, whatever, water. And so now he is hooked on the skincare. So from then he was hooked on the skincare. I also got him another one because I mean, you really don't need that much, but he tends to go through it a little bit quicker just because he has like jujitsu, then he showers after that. He has nursing, then he showers after that, and then he'll shower at night. So he showers a lot. So every time he showers, he washes his face, of course. So there's that. And then last thing on my list here is the Speaks Volume Mascara. So our mascara is actually rated, I want to say 10 in the world, above all of these like really fancy brands. Like, I'll have to put it on there. I don't want to name any that it wasn't above. So anyways, but number 10 in the world as far as mascara brands, out of all mascara brands in the entire world. That's unreal. So anyways, there's that. So as you can see, I feel like through my broad spectrum of products here, you can see that I use the nutrition, the skincare, the makeup, the bath and body products. So
Alright, so that was the end of that video. This is just an example of how they inventory load and how they are the customers and not just the reps. So I wanted to give an example in this video to just be, here's what they do, and here's some dupes that they can change out for. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good rest of your day, night, weekend. Comment down below what you think. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Alright, so here's a list of both of them. I have the dupes on the next one over, and this is the Arbonne first. So you can see the price comparison of each of them, because obviously it's a very drastic difference from the two. Obviously there are some that are very close in price, and there are some that are not. So that's just putting that into perspective of how much these reps pay.